guys, so I finally got my camera and it took me 2 days because the first 2 days I don't have an ID. Kaya ngayon ko lang siya nakuha and now it's already 6 p.m. They're about to close. But good thing, umabot ako and I was in a hurry earlier and I parked in a wrong way. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Akala mo naman kung gano'ng kalaki yung car ko. So I'm at home and I bought a new camera. It's the M50. Last camera I had was the M10 and I was satisfied with it, and I just upgraded to M50 because I've read and I've watched a lot of reviews and they mentioned that it's really good for vlogging. And I am more practical, so it's not that expensive since it's on sale. I got this for 588 euro, and when we convert that to Philippine peso, it's about 32,000. So ano pa ba, di ba? They are on sale and I'm very happy. Let's unbox this together. Galing lang ako sa work and went directly to MediaMarkt just to get my camera because they will close around 6 p.m. And yesterday I was already on MediaMarkt but I did not bring my ID with me, so ayun, wala akong nakuha. But ayan na siya. I'm so happy and I guess I deserve a new camera because my M10, I already gave it to my papa, and ayan guys, I have this M50 camera. Ayan, it's so nice and I was able to try it from my friend Adrian and I was satisfied with the shots. And I was only planning not to buy like expensive body because I have a plan to buy the 11-22mm lens or the Sigma 16mm. So I'm still confused what to get. And I'm very happy because, you know, I've been really dreaming for a new camera, and for the past months, I'm only using my phone. Ayan na guys, it's only 588 with a camera bag, and I guess it's really practical because, you know, you don't need to spend a lot of money on camera, yet you get the most of the quality. I got a bag and of course the camera, which is the M50, and of course there's also a free 16GB SD and it's not bad at all. And I have here the sling for the Canon, a battery, and of course the charger, and last but not the least is the camera with a kit lens, the 15mm kit lens. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I chose this camera because for me it's really practical since it's a flip screen. You will be able to see your face. Also, you can have the microphone somewhere. There's that. So, here. So, ayan. Ito yung sa microphone. And it's not that heavy. You know, I don't want to review more of this. I just wanted to show it with you because, you know, I'm not really good explaining the functions. So, this is the kit lens. We have the 15, I guess it's 15mm or ayan. So yeah, it's 1545mm for the lens. Eto na guys. I'm so happy, and in the future I might be buying another camera, but for now let's just stick to M50. And right now I'm saving my money for something else, so camera is not really my priority, and I'm still happy though. And Sony just released the, I guess it's the CY one. Yeah, and I wanted to return this, but I think that I also need to practice photography. And with the new upcoming release from Sony, I guess it's more on vlogging. So this one, I can change the lens whenever I want. Ito lang guys, and I'm very happy because I also received my first salary in YouTube. Nag-invest na din ako sa camera. Kumikita na tayo sa YouTube. Oh, congrats! And thank you nga pala guys, because without you, I may not receive my first ever salary, and I'm more motivated to edit videos. And thank you so much guys for your endless support and for watching this video. And guys, if you want me to share with you my experience on how I got monetized, you can comment on my YouTube channel, and yeah, might as well I will share it with you since, you know, sharing is loving. So, ayan na guys. I guess I will end my video, and I hope you will have a great time. And please don't forget to wear your mask or use sanitizers whenever you are, and always stay safe. And yeah, or that is, bleib gesund auf Deutsch. Hey everyone, so we are testing out this M50, and today it's Saturday and I have free. I am free, I don't have work. Today we are going to Frankfurt. Just kidding. So today we are looking for a lens for this camera, and I am very hesitant to buy a new lens now because I am torn between 11-22 or the Sigma 16mm, and I don't know what to buy. So if you have any idea which is the best lens for vlogging for M50 or vlogging or slash photography, you can comment down below. And today we are going on a short trip to Frankfurt. Yes guys, so it's Saturday and it's my day off, so we decided to have a short trip to Frankfurt because I will buy my first ever lens. Right now I am using this M50, so I know that the quality is quite good, right? Compared to my iPhone, and I'm so happy. And it's the first video that I am making for this vlog, and I am quite satisfied because if you will compare to my previous video, the quality is not really good, but this one, I love it. And yeah, I'm so excited because I will be buying my first ever lens if available siya sa Frankfurt. And at the moment, I am editing another travel vlog, and yeah, I hope you will watch it. And later, we will unbox together my new lens and we will try it together, and let's see if it's really good. So, see you in Frankfurt. Of course, we have our mask. So we are right now here in Roma, and this is one of the most famous tourist spots here in Frankfurt, and there's a lot of people right now because it's already mid spring, so people are enjoying the weather and it's already back to normal here. So come on guys, let's tour around. are going to Mark's friend, and unfortunately the lens that I want to buy is not available, so we will just order it online. And instead I got this Gorilla Pod. It's from Joby. Is it Joby? Yeah, it's 1K kit and it's just 49. No, it's just 39 euro. And also ayan guys, I also got this Birkenstock since it's already summer, so I need a summer slipper. And there's a lot of people earlier in Frankfurt, and there's no social distancing that was being practiced. And yeah, I just wear my mask. Whenever you enter to a shop, you need to wear a mask, and only limited people can go to a particular shop. For example, this Birken shop, they only allow 8 people inside, so we need to wait, and there's a lot of people outside. So it's quite frustrating because, you know, it takes a lot of time. But yeah, we did a great time in Frankfurt, and I love the weather because it's already like summer. It's already 22 degrees. I will update you later if pauwi na kami kasi we are almost at Mark's friend's house, so I will just update you later. And by the way, it's already 7 p.m. and still the sun is up. So yun lang guys, I'm just practicing how to vlog because, you know, I don't really know how to speak in front of the camera, and my cell phone is so noisy. And yeah, yun lang. And I guess I will be speaking Tagalog, English, Bisaya, or German, di ba? The more the merrier. And kayo na bahalang mag-adjust. Atik lang. So yeah. Actually, bye-bye na. We'll just update you later. Bye-bye.
If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.